I've had the pump back, and this is where it's going. I've cleaned all this. There's two studs, one there and one there. I put this one back on the pump. I've had to take my dynamo bracket out of the way to allow me access. Now there's the pump. There's the other stud here. I pushed it in from this side because when it goes in, it's going to have to go up in position, and then I can knock it through then when it's in line. So I'm going to put the gasket on there now. I've got some gasket sealer, and that'll be that. There it is, in position. You will have to lever it up to push it up to locate these pins. I've used a battery drill to put the nuts in because there's a torque on it, so they weren't over tightened. So I'll try to put this back on here now, and I'll put the car back together. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've moved my top dead center to the front. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but we'll have to wait and see. Here it is, finished, packed together. A reconditioned water pump and 2 engine mounts. Several years ago, I had an oil leak at the back of the engine. Now this engine is a suffix B. That means there's a O-ring at the back of the cylinder head where it's located, joining the cylinder block, and that O-ring had gone. While the head was off, I had it skimmed, pressure tested, new valves, valve seals and valve springs. The overdrive relay packed in, so I've got this one on there now. It's a modern one. You can't get a new one, but it works well, nothing wrong with it. It does everything as it did before. There's no kick down on this car. I had to have the overdrive reconditioned because second-hand one, if you're going to buy a second-hand one, then they don't necessarily fit the 110 because the output shaft is too big in diameter. And I did get a second-hand one and it wouldn't fit because of that reason. So I had to have my own reconditioned and refitted.